Hey there, it's Melanie from the dev team with a quick update for you in the contacts section. There is now an option to restore deleted contacts. So let's say I'm here within the contacts section, either within an individual contact record or here on this page, and I delete one or more contacts. Maybe I have some contacts selected. Say perhaps I have Bob Smith, Jeffrey Test, and Eric Test. I have them all selected here, and I decide that I want to delete them. I confirm, and the 3 contacts have now been deleted. But then I think, oh wait, I didn't mean to do that, or those were the wrong people, or there's some other reason that I want to restore those deleted contacts. Now I can navigate to the Restore Contacts page, and here we see Contacts Restore, and here are the 3 contacts that I just deleted. I could restore one or all of them. Maybe I only want to restore Bob Smith, or maybe I want to restore Eric and Jeffrey, or perhaps I want to restore all 3 of them. Once I've selected the desired contacts, I'll come up here to the top right and click Restore. This pop-up window will appear that will confirm how many contacts are about to be restored, and there's also this note that says restoring any contacts will also restore their conversations, notes, opportunities, tasks, appointments, and manual actions. So I do want to confirm the restore contacts, and now those contacts will be back in my contacts section. This is a great safeguard feature in case you accidentally delete somebody, maybe you delete the wrong person, or maybe you intentionally delete a contact but then change your mind later and want to restore them. That's all for now, and I'll be sharing more updates as they come. Thanks.